Welcome to Taranker's YouTube channel, your go-to source for Shopify tips and tutorials. Starting your Shopify store in 2025? Choosing the right apps can make all the difference in streamlining operations, driving sales, and enhancing customer experience. In this video, we'll share 12 important Shopify apps that every beginner needs, from marketing to fulfillment. These tools will set you up for success. First on the list is Shopify Email, perfect for beginners looking for simple yet professional email marketing. With seamless integration and pre-designed templates, it's free for the first 10,000 emails per month. Tip: combine it with apps like Zotabox for capturing email leads and automate your welcome emails. 2. Klaviyo. As your business grows, Klaviyo steps in with advanced email and SMS marketing features. Why use it? Pre-built automation flows like abandoned cart reminders boost engagement effortlessly. Tip: start small with a simple welcome series and use SMS for time-sensitive offers. 3. SARS. If you're dropshipping, SARS makes sourcing products and automating fulfillment a breeze. Why use it? Automatic inventory updates and access to reliable suppliers ensure smooth operations. Tip: always test products for quality before adding them to your store. 4. Judge.me product reviews. Build trust with Judge.me, the ultimate review app for Shopify. Why use it? Collect photo and video reviews to boost social proof. Tip: send automated review requests after purchases to maximize feedback. 5. Attribuly. Understand which marketing channels work best with Attribuly. Why use it? Track your ROI and refine your ad spend with real insights. Tip: focus your budget on the platforms delivering the highest returns. 6. Zotabox. Zotabox helps you engage visitors with pop-ups, banners, and lead capture forms. Why use it? Exit intent pop-ups can recover abandoned carts, while social sharing buttons drive more traffic. Tip: use countdown timers during sales to create urgency. 7. Report Pundit. 4 actionable insights. Report Pundit lets you create detailed reports to track sales, inventory, and more. Tip: automate report delivery to stay on top of your performance daily or weekly. 8. Bond Loyalty. Turn first-time buyers into repeat customers with Bond Loyalty. Why use it? Customizable rewards programs and loyalty tiers boost customer retention. Tip: offer bonus points during holidays to encourage more purchases. 9. SEO Optimizer. Boost your store's visibility with SEO an AI-driven SEO Optimizer. Why use it? Automates meta tags and provides actionable suggestions for improvement. Tip: regularly audit your site to fix SEO issues and rank higher. 10. Supercart Drawer Upsells. Improve the checkout experience with Supercart. Why use it? Add product recommendations directly in the cart to increase average order value. Tip: use limited-time discounts to encourage upsells. 11. Printful Print on Demand. Launch a print-on-demand business with Printful. Why use it? No upfront inventory is needed, and automated fulfillment saves time. Tip: focus on niche-specific designs to attract a loyal audience. 12. PageFly Landing Page Builder. Finally, design stunning pages with PageFly. Why use it? Create high-converting landing pages without coding. Tip: use A/B testing to find layouts that drive the most sales. In addition to the above tips, I have a few quick tips to help you make the most out of these applications. 1. Plan email campaigns around holidays and product launches for maximum impact. 2. Use loyalty programs to retain high-value customers. 3. Regularly review analytics tools like Attribuly and Report Pundit to refine strategies. 4. Optimize product pages with PageFly for better conversion rates. Ready to get started? Check out these apps and watch your Shopify store thrive. Visit Taranker.com for exclusive deals and expert advice on the best apps for your store. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tips and tutorials. See you next time.